What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to use YouTube picture-in-picture. So this is a new feature that's recently been added, and it allows you to multitask while still watching the same YouTube video. So I just want to note that this is different from the mini player. It actually allows you to browse other sites while still watching the same video. So I'll just show you guys how to do this really quick. I'm just on my own YouTube video here, and when I click or when I hover on the video, I see this little icon right here, which is the picture-in-picture icon. So just click on this guy, and then the video will pop up in a little window here, and you can make this bigger or smaller if you want. You can just resize it in the bottom corner here. But what's cool about this is you can just continue to browse the page, and you can just continue to watch the video if you want. But even cooler, if you open a new tab, boom, it's still there. So you can watch a video while browsing like an article or just going on another site. You can do this for homework, have the video open while watching or while doing your homework, things like that. I think this is pretty cool. Obviously you can click play like this, guys. So today and you can click pause. Although I will say it doesn't have all of the features that the normal YouTube player has. Like, as you can see, there's no bar on the bottom here for me to like drag to where I want to watch in the video. But also, if you want to close this, you just click the X up here and you're just brought back to the regular YouTube player. So pretty cool things. You can also just press that and it'll be popped back into the YouTube player. But yeah, so that's how you can multitask while watching your YouTube videos using picture-in-picture. Hopefully you guys found this cool feature helpful. If you did, let's drop a like on this video and let's subscribe so we can grow this channel. Thanks for watching, guys.